The problem you might run into while assembling and disassembling your Go chair is the front piece not really falling in place with the back piece. See, this should just drop in there without you really having to put any force on there. What the problem is this here isn't lining up with the connection point right here. So basically all you need is a 4mm wrench, and there's some screws in here that just need to be loosened. By loosening these 4 screws here, again, you don't really have to take them all the way out, just loosen them so they can slide. You're able to move this brick piece up and down. Sometimes it's easier to kind of leave it a little loose so it can still be moved by tightening it just a little bit, so you can it can kind of move a little bit more to actually come into sync with that front part and lock in. And once it's connected to that piece and it drops in easily, then go ahead and tighten your screws back up. Now with this piece aligned up with the front piece, you should drop in now fairly easily. Now you're all set.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.